In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your database in HostGator cPanel using phpMyAdmin. Whether you're dealing with data issues or setting up a fresh installation, restoring your database can be a crucial step. So let's walk through this process together, ensuring that you can handle it with ease and confidence. First, we're going to start by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. If you aren't familiar with this process, simply head over to HostGator's website and locate the login option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. After entering your credentials, you'll be brought to the cPanel dashboard. This is your main control center for managing hosting aspects, and it's filled with a variety of tools, but don't worry, today we're focusing on just one essential tool, phpMyAdmin. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Databases. Here, you'll find the phpMyAdmin icon, which is your gateway to managing your database. Click on phpMyAdmin to open it up. What you'll see now is a new interface that displays all of the databases associated with your account. From the list on the left, you need to identify and select the specific database that you want to restore. If you're not sure which one it is, you might want to check your application's configuration files, as they often include the database name. Now that you've selected the right database, it's time to initiate the restoration process. At the top of the phpMyAdmin panel, you'll notice several tabs. The one you're interested in now is labeled Import. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and it will open a new page where you can import your backup. Here's where you'll need your backup SQL file, so make sure it's easily accessible on your computer. Click the Choose File button and navigate to the folder where the backup is stored. Select the correct SQL file that you're going to import. Once it's selected, you're almost ready to go. The last step here is to simply click on the Go button, usually found towards the bottom right of the window. Think of this as giving phpMyAdmin the green light to start the import process. After hitting Go, phpMyAdmin will begin to restore the database using your backup SQL file. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few